for the latest in-depth analysis, live reports from the field, weather experts, meteorologists, and hurricane hunters telling you what's happening, why it's happening, and what's next. The Weather Channel, Hurricane Central. The Weather Channel, Hurricane Central. Coming up, the latest on Katrina. But now, your local on the 8s.
Better than being at home, because it's obvious that it is a serious situation there, but it's difficult to be away from home and not have a really true sense of what's going on. We can't really get